Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, what the Bitcoin done for us here. That's what me I told you yesterday. There is no power to pushing up. We said maybe from here it's going to go higher, but it doesn't. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain to you what happened here. What happened here, guys? As you see it, what the Bitcoin gave us here, it gave us a very famous inside bar, like how it gave it to us here, if you remember, here and here. Then when it's breaking by that candle, he went down till here. Now us here, we're still in a very stronger level, guys. As you see it, forget about the past, because us we're analyzing just now. Now either to come another candle to break for us higher here, to break the high of that candle here, or another scenario, guys, to come a candle and to break for us down here, to break the lower here, guys. So you need to make a close eye at those ones where it's going to break either up or either down. I think everything is too clear here in daily, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be updated what the market doing right now. Every day you're going to see latest analysis from professional people. That's the job of them, not fabs, not blah blah blah. You're learning from professional people, my friend. It's very simple. It will not take you 1 year or something. A red button down, click at it. You're going to be subscribed. Next to it, a bell to read to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. And if you want to be notified more quicker, you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, when we put in a video, you're going to be notified very quick. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. The one, as you see it, when it touch here, it fall down till here, guys. And what did I told you in the last video? I told you here, we got a very stronger level. Yes or no? You can go back and watch it in the last video, guys. Now, from here it show a rejection. Yes or no? Now either from here to go back up or from here to break down. What should we do here in the daily? Nothing, guys. We just waiting here in the daily what the market is going to tell us. In the daily there is nothing yet confirmed. And all the traders, they are waiting for CPI of USA, guys. CPI of USA, I think is going to come tomorrow or after tomorrow. So you need to make a close eye at that, what is going to tell us, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go now to see our other indicator. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, if you remember what else we said here, we got here a divergence, yes or no? Like that. It's very clear divergence here in the daily, guys. Should we enter? Not yet, guys. Where is the price action? Is that one? Hasn't even come to it. It might now we're going to come, we break it higher. We don't know what the market going to do, and it might from here is going to break for us. That level here we're holding the Bitcoin, don't fall down, guys. And the volume, it show everything is flat, guys. As you see it, it spike only here in that place. But the only time when it spike. After that, everything is flat, as you see it. So there is nothing yet, guys. All the investors, they still waiting. So even you wait, my friend. There is nothing here to do about the long-term investing. Only if you decide, that's another story. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and done it, my friend. Go ahead and done it. Smash the like button right with it. A comment helping us, guys. You know the channel with how it can growing up. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see what is it there, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. The last video, what did I told you here? I told you the Bitcoin here, it give you a double bottom, guys, or a W. I told you if it's breaking here, we will enter long. Did it break? Not yet, guys. It just came here to that level and it showed there a rejection here. So what should you do here? Nothing, my friend. Just wait. And look here what you have, what the market give you here. It give you like a channel, guys, or a flag or whatever. You can name it anything you want. But me, I'm focused only about that one, the W. When it's going to be broken, I'm going to enter long, guys. And you see that candle here, the volume, how big it spiked. By the way, that candle is left for it 41 minutes. When that video is going to be live, maybe it's going to be finished. You need to make a close eye at that candle, how it's going to tell you, guys. Because if we zoom it and we see it, as you see it now, it's changing to green, guys. That level here, as you see the candle, the previous candle, it pushing down. Then that candle, it pushing up, guys. That's when there is big buyers, they pushing up, guys. Should you enter? Not yet. Look here, that W, guys. It's very clear here, W, yes or no? The top of it is here. When it's breaking here, a candle came And to do like that and to close here, guys, to close above, we will enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. I told you where is the take profit. I told you is here. And what did I told you yesterday, me? Look at the 200 moving average. What is it telling you? You see it or no? Forget about the past. Here, focus it with me only just here to here. What are you saying? The 200 moving average is flat, guys. Yes or no? And I explained that to you. I told you now there is a resting happening, guys. After it is going to come a big move, guys. We don't know either up or either down. So if you are a very conservative trader, try to stay away from this level, guys. Waiting when the trend it started, because it might the one to come to break for us here, then he will move a little bit up, then he will drop. So if you enter, always use stop loss, guys. Always use a stop loss, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. And by the way, I'm going to come back to update you after the daily candle finish it. So that way, me, I told you every time, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when also we put in a new thing, you're going to be updated, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, as you remember, the last video, I will tell you, look at it. The double bottom here is very clear here in our indicator. Yes or no? Look at it. Look here. What you see? It's very clear double bottom. Yes or no? Here in our indicator, it's showing it's breaking here. Yes or no? In the chart, it haven't. So you need to wait in the chart, when a candle close above that level I show you, you enter long, guys. Remember my word. And if you enter long, use a stop loss, my friend. Everything is too clear here, guys. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, if you remember, last video used to be here at the oversold area. And we told you we have here a W, guys. Haven't break. So also we are not going to enter unless if it's breaking, guys. And look here. What did I told you before? Look at it. It's a very clear triangle, guys. Yes or no? It might from here to come and to break for us higher here. That you need to enter with all your eyes closed, guys. Now, maybe we are just going from here till the 200 moving average. Then after that, we're going to drop, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you haven't. Go now and smashing the like button, my friend. Go now. You done it? And please write with it a comment helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to see 30 minutes. What is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys? Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the last video? Look at that. What did I told you here? You have here a wage. I told you if it's breaking here, you enter long. It's breaking, my friend. Yes or no? Now he go back to test it again. Well, now you should be in, my friend. Where is going to go? Maybe just tell here. Tell that level. Here, guys, tell the one here. We're going to confirm for us is our indicator. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, used to be here. We used to have here a divergence like that. It's being very clear. Now look where we are. We are too close. Yes or no? Now, if you are in profit, my friend, try to close some of the profit and move the stop loss higher, guys. Because that one, as you see it, it came here. Maybe from here it's going to go higher. Again, maybe from here is going to drop, guys. So make a close eye at that, because always at the 200 moving average, you need to start taking some of the profit, guys. Now, what should you do here in 30 minutes? There is nothing here in 30 minutes, guys. Need to wait in more. The price to go higher more, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.